my routine has been completely messed up. Waking up late, wasting my time on phone and not focusing on my studies. I knew something has to change. So today I'm resetting my routine and getting my life back on track. So hello everyone, this is Miss Shrishti, and if you all are facing this problem, so yeah, this video is for you. Before doing anything else, I decided to make a simple to-do list, wrote down all my tasks for today, and I started with accountancy. Accountancy is one of the hardest subject of my stream, so yeah, I'm practicing the questions of chapter 2, and the chapter name is profit sharing ratio. I was just practicing the questions of this chapter. While I was just practicing my questions of this chapter, and I got a call of a delivery boy, and I have ordered Oswal books, and that is my question bank which I have recently ordered. And यहाँ पे मैंने 4 question banks order किए हैं. Basically it is of my core subject and one is my language subject. I got 4 books which I have earlier told you guys, that is my core subject and one is language subject which is accountancy, economics, business studies, and one language subject which is English. So let me tell you something about this book. So there is a topper answer sheet through which you just understand that how you have to write the answers in your board exams, and you can got a really very good practice. There is mind map through which you just understand the things properly and you can just do the quick revision. There are revision notes. Also it contains competency based questions, and guys, I was just practicing some questions of this book and the questions is literally so good, and the level of question of this book is so amazing. Like I want that kind of level of questions, and that is present in this book. So if you want to buy this book, so you can use my coupon code SHRISTI30 for an extra discount. I have given the link in the description so you can check there. One of my goals right now is learning Japanese. I'm still a beginner, but every day I try to learn a few new words and practice consistently. It may not seem like much, but small steps every day lead to a big results. I was just practicing some letters of Japanese, that is called hiragana and katakana. For me, I feel like Japanese is easy until the writing parts come. Like I can pronunciate the exact meaning, but I was not able to write it properly. Like the thing which I am writing right now is so hard for me to just revise and to know that what is actually it is. But still I'm just learning, and if you're also interested to learn a new language, so yeah, this channel is for you because I'm learning Japanese and I'm the beginner. So yeah, this is the starting of my new phrase. So you can subscribe to this channel to also learn a new languages, because it is hard to maintain productiveness and consistency at the same time. So at least we can be productive and consistent. Later on I took a break for a while, then I started with economics. First I attended my class and then I was writing my notes. Like I made a lot of backlogs to complete my copies because I just used to attend the classes but I didn't make my notes. So instead of avoiding them, I finally sat down and started completing them. For me to complete a copy or copy completion is really a very big task, because I don't like to complete copy. I don't know why. I don't know guys, but don't ask to me because I actually don't like to do that. And yeah, I also got my holiday homework which I'm actually completing like a snail. But this is what it is, so I cannot change it. So I have very interesting questions to ask from you all guys, that what you all are doing in your summer vacations. How do you all are spending your days in summer vacations? If you ask from me that what I'm actually doing, so I'm just eating, sleeping and scrolling and doing nothing else. Even though you guys don't know that how much procrastination I'm doing these days, and that's why this video came. I even don't feel like studying in a hot weather. Like the temperature goes so high, and in afternoon I actually don't feel like to study, but this time I actually forcing myself to study. So let me tell you something about my language learning program, that how I actually got a motivation to learn a new language. I've been always so curious to learn a new language and also travel to a different countries. I've been always interested in Korea and Japan is the only country which I actually like so much because it is the most cleanest country in the world. Also I like the safety of that country, and I always hear the positive side of that country, and I always like to just explore that country. So So that's why I'm just learning these languages, and I'm actually trying to become a polyglot. And of course my 12th is going on, so I have to main focus on my main subjects, and I just used to study that in my free time. This year I have my board exam, so first I have to main focus on that thing, and then I later on focus on my language learning. But whenever I got a free time or I got bored sometimes, so I can just study that language to mind fresh. But don't worry, I will bring my language learning session after my 12th class. Back to the topic, I took a nap and then I started with business studies. I have started this chapter in between because first of all I have just studied the half chapter and half is remaining. To be real, first I was just so excited to learn this chapter because I have just completed my half portion and half is remaining. But later on when I was just going through this chapter, so I feel so bored. Then after, I don't know why, because to understand each and everything and to memorize everything, it is so hard for me. Guys, let me know in the comment box that which video you want in my next video. I'll make that. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe this channel guys, because I always make these kind of study related vlogs and I keep updated you all that what I am actually doing. Apart from this, I'm thinking to make 1K special Q&A. So if you have any question regarding this channel and regarding me, not personal, so you can ask me in the comment box. I am actually thinking to make Q&A videos, so let me know all your questions in this comment box. So yeah guys, that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, don't forget to buy that Oswald books. I have given the link in the description, and don't forget to use my coupon code for an extra discount. So yeah, we'll meet in the next video, and yeah, goodbye.